Hello, welcome to my profitability dashboard. The aim of this video is just to give you a quick walkthrough of my dashboard that I just prepared. Before we start walking through the dashboard, let me just set the context. So, who is this dashboard targeted at? The dashboard belongs to a real estate supply company. The company supplies two types of products: construction items and interior design. They have sales managers that manage the customers that patronize the company to ensure that the business relationships are maintained. And in order to do this effectively, they need data at their fingertips. To get data at your fingertips, you need to be able to explore the data on your own instead of waiting for a data analyst to provide you a report weekly or something. This dashboard is just filled up with features that allow the sales managers to explore data on their own. So let's go quickly through it. So what are you looking at? You're looking at a scatter plot, and the aim of the scatter plot is to allow the sales managers to evaluate each customer based on two attributes. So you can easily evaluate customers um, based on total revenue by looking on the horizontal axis. Um, so you can see everybody that is above average, and you can see the top earners in terms of revenue, and you can also see the most profitable customers in terms of the gross margin. And sometimes maybe you're not exactly interested in the gross margin; you're more interested in which customers are doing better this year than last year. You can change the axis to see that, or you can use colors to highlight customers that are profitable and are not. So you can see everybody above the line. Of course, business is growing, so everybody is above the sales YOY, above zero on the sales YOY. But some of these customers are not profitable. So you can see. I think the beautiful part of this dashboard is being able to combine the axis control and the color control to set more complex criteria that allow you to zero down and really get insight on customers that you want. For example, you can see this customer here. It's above average in terms of revenue, it's above average in terms of the growth in business, but they are not profitable. So, which means the more volume they are doing, the more loss they are bringing to the company. So, maybe you really want to zero down on this kind of customer to find out more about, okay, how is business going? Okay, maybe we need to actually spend some more time discussing with this customer and find out why are the costs so high. And in order to do that, you just click on the customer, and you can drill down to find out more details about this customer. Um, so once you click on here, you can come to this. You have this page, and you can see that the revenue has been growing, but the cost has been growing at a lower rate. So maybe there's something, maybe up to something there. And so you can easily see the trend of the revenue. You can see the trend in terms of the gross margin, and you can see there was a very big loss in September. Maybe that's why they became unprofitable. So you have all of this data, and you are able to see whatever you want to see. But then at this point, when you want to go into the customer discussions, then you're probably thinking, okay, I need specific figures. And this dashboard also allows you to switch between seeing charts that allow you to see and see specific figures. All the figures that you need, you have them at your fingertips. And maybe sometimes this is a bit overwhelming. There are 7 columns of data. You have to process so much data. But you're not interested in looking at everything at once. You're just interested in comparing revenue this year to revenue last year. You can control the columns and just, okay, I just want to see the sales last year. Or maybe for a specific customer, they don't buy monthly, so it doesn't make sense to compare the data on a monthly basis. It makes more sense to do it on a quarterly basis. You can also adjust the granularity here, and instead of seeing it on a monthly basis, you see it on a quarterly basis. So basically that's what this dashboard is supposed to do. It's supposed to empower the user in order to do their own analysis and drill down into details as much as they would like, and have good self-service business intelligence. So and when you're done with one customer, you want to find another customer, you go back to home, and that's really the dashboard. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have fun exploring the dashboard. Click on the link down below to explore more features of this dashboard, and give me feedback. Let me know if you loved it, or if there are things that you think I could have improved. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.